Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download and install Upstox application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this tutorial will guide you through the steps. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's type, and then in the search box type in Upstox. From the search result, look for this application and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. After you do that, wait for the app to download and install, which will take several minutes. And once the application is downloaded, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded the Upstox application on your mobile device. You can now go ahead and sign up for the account by entering your mobile number. Upstox offers advanced tools for trading in equities, future and options, commodities, and currencies. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.